Hi guys, today I am going to review Nykaa's Lash Talk fake eyelashes. So let's begin. First pair is just enough drama. This is how my eyes look with and without eyelash. And this pair of eyelash is intense and will give you maximum volume. This is super dramatic and not for everyday wear. These are for special occasions like weddings and parties. And this pair is little heavy on the eyes. Next pair is OTT Length. This pair will give you maximum length and defines your lashes. That this is how my eyes look with and without this eyelash. And this a little light on your eyes. All these pairs comes with glue, but I don't use the glue that comes inside. The next one is Real Deal. This pair will give natural volume and natural length. This is how my eyes look with and without eyelash. This is for everyday wear because this looks so natural. The next one and the last one is keeping it real. Now this pair will give natural length to your eyelashes. This is super lightweight on the eyes. Absolutely everyday wear के लिए है ये. किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि आपने eyelashes actual में लगाया है. So guys, that's all in my today's video. Video को like ज़रूर करना, share, subscribe and comment down below. We'll meet you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.